Welcome to the Nexis Direct training module focusing on researching an industry. Let's begin by selecting the Research an Industry icon from the home page. Within the top search box, start typing your industry of interest, such as banking. The box will automatically populate with relevant topics of interest. For this search, I am researching banking, lending, and credit services. You can now add additional details that you may also be interested in investigating in connection with the industry. For example, I could enter the word consumer. For this search though, I'm going to search as broadly as possible so I can see all the connections and then narrow down if necessary after. I now have the options to refine my search by choosing my publications and areas of interest in relation to my investigation through the selection boxes below, such as industry profiles to provide an overview on forecasting, economic intelligence units reports, and tabular data. You will also notice we can search the industry in news and negative news, which will apply negative words such as bribery, corruption, scandal to the search to quickly highlight areas of potential interest or concern. Select your date range and search. You will notice the search criteria selected are reflected in the tabs running across the top of the screen, defaulting with the industry profiles. You can filter and organise these reports on the left-hand side to display reports from your selected publications. For example, I may wish to filter by Euromonitor to view the industry capsules, or Hoovers specifically, or I could organise by subject to filter by themes of interest. You may also wish to refine your search utilising the Edit search box on the top left-hand side. Now we could add the additional details such as company names or additional keywords of interest like consumer, or select a country of interest. Once you have located reports to aid your research, simply tick the individual report or the whole page, and they will instantly be added to your delivery folder at the top of the screen. You can now continue your research and add to this folder as you progress through your investigation. Continue your research by selecting the tabs across the top of the screen, such as EIU reports or tabular data and statistics. You will notice the theme of your search will always be highlighted in red, and you can filter by publication, subject, geography or industry to narrow your search further. Note also that the results will always be returned by relevance. You can change this to look at the most recent articles only using the link on the right-hand side. The last tab is negative news. Here you'll see the keywords of the industry that we are searching within the same paragraph as many negative connotations such as allegations, bribery, offence, and disaster. But as you can see from the articles here, you need to read the text to gain an understanding in which context these words have been used. Click on the title to read the full text or simply select to add it to your delivery folder. Once you have completed your investigations, click on your delivery folder at the top of the screen. You can now select to print, download or email your articles of interest. This concludes this module. For more guidance on Nexis Direct, please see further modules.